Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the solution to the given system of equations is xy, and we're asked, what is the value of y? Now normally solving a system of equations is a little bit more complicated than this. Here we have 3x is equal to 12. This means we have an equation where we only have one variable, so we can just solve for that variable outright. So we want to get x on its own, so we divide both sides by 3. These 3's cancel, and we're left with x is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Then we're going to use that in the second equation to find the value of y. So we have negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 6. And we're going to plug in 4 for x. So we get negative 3 times 4 plus y is equal to negative 6. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 plus y is equal to negative 6. Then adding 12 on both sides to get y on its own, these cancel, and we're left with y is equal to negative 6 plus 12, which is 6. So therefore the value of y is 6, and B is your final answer.